ClockTuner for Ryzen, CTR. For anyone looking to get more performance out of your AMD Ryzen processor, you're in for a little treat. Yuri Bubbly, otherwise known as One Osmos, created an app which will help optimize your AMD Ryzen processor. The app tests your Ryzen CPU's processor and will determine what it's really capable of. In other words, this is an overclocking app leveraging the Ryzen Master app and Cinebench R20. As of this recording, only the Zen 2 or Ryzen 3000 series processors, including some AMD Thread based processors, are supported. I suspect over time Zen 1, Zen 1 Plus, and Zen 3 will eventually receive some sort of support. Even if you don't have a supported processor, we're going to go through what's been published so far. Go to Google and search ClockTuner for AMD Ryzen. It should be the first link found on Guru 3D. ClockTuner for Ryzen CTR Guide by One Osmos. Introduction. Go to the link. The link will also be posted in the video description. Before you do anything, read the pages and instructions. It's very important. Once you get to the bottom of the first page, go to the second page or System Requirements and Preparation. In short, you're going to need Windows 10 version 1909, 2004, 20H2 or higher, an AMD Ryzen Zen 2 or 3000 series CPU. Note, Renoir 4000 series is currently not supported. Your motherboard's BIOS must have the latest G-SYNC combo, which should be at least AM4 1.0.0.4 or newer. You can also use CPU-Z to confirm that. .NET Framework 4.6 or higher is required. Note, most Windows 10, 1909 or later versions have .NET Framework 4.8. There's additional settings to check in your BIOS. For anyone who's overclocked previously, I simply reset everything to default, then follow the instructions. The CPU voltage should be set to auto, the CPU multiplier should be set to auto, Ryzen Master 2.3 or later is needed. Note, I went to the AMD website to download it, and I'll also include it in the video description. You'll need a stable RAM overclock or stable XMP profile. The motherboard should be on at least a 350, 450, or 550 base chipsets. SVM virtualization is disabled, but I went back and enabled it later without having an issue after testing the app. Any power profile compatible with CTR. Note, I used the AMD Ryzen chipset profile without any issue. As we scroll down the page, a few additional settings need to be made. The BIOS should be in UEFI mode. Note, if your Windows OS was installed as Legacy or CSM, the app will likely crash. Load line calibration should be set to level 3 for ASUS and MSI motherboards. Gigabyte should be set to turbo or auto. ASRock should be set to level 2 or auto. BioStar level 4 or higher. For ASUS motherboards, the phase mode should be set to the standard, with CPU capability set to 100%. After setting all of this up, you can download CTR, Ryzen Master, and Cinebench R20. And again, follow the instructions. In this example, I put the app in a subfolder of my downloads directory. Following the instructions, I extracted the Cinebench R20 to the CB20 folder. When you're done, close all the apps, and then we'll run CTR. We're going to run the app with the defaults. Note, this process can take up to 30 minutes, so grab a coffee or something, as you'll need to wait for this to complete. You'll notice there's a plus symbol beside the frequency set right now. It means that the overclock is successful, and the next test will try a higher limit. Note, if no overclocking is possible, then an equal sign will follow after the overclock reference. After testing, I had a 5% improvement in CPU performance. To save the settings, simply click on Create and Apply Profile. Also make sure the Auto Load Profile with OS is selected. You can now minimize the app and enjoy the extra performance. So what did you think of the app? Are you receiving more performance with your Ryzen CPU? Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter @DaveFinito. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.